Hi, my name is Leah Day and welcome to this video for leahday.com. We're working with our walking foot again, this time quilting rays. It's straight lines straight out of a t-shirt block. It adds a lot of emphasis to the design in the center, and this is really important because this is one of my favorite t-shirts from when James was an itsy bitsy tiny baby. So let's get on the machine. I can't wait to share it with you. So here's the octopus shirt. You can kind of see it back here. This was one of my favorite little t-shirts that James wore when he was a baby. And now I'm emphasizing that with these beautiful lines of rays running out from the center of the block. And it's a very easy design to quilt with your walking foot. So I'm going to get started by simply pulling up thread right here on one of the octopus legs. And I'm going to stitch a straight line straight towards myself. And don't worry too much about keeping that straight line perfectly straight. So long as you're letting the machine kind of do the feeding for you, it's generally going to do that all by itself, just as long as you're not wiggling the block around too much. Now I'm going to rotate and I'm going to stitch inside. I've got this little space now that I want to stitch inside of it and fill that with more straight lines, more rays, working into the block. So here I'm going to stitch in for a bit. I'm not planning this out. I'm not, spacing this some exact amount. I'm just kind of eyeballing it and saying, does that look good? And that looks good to me. So now I just stitch inside. And I'm going to bring it in a little close to those tentacles, but not touching. So about right there. And then I'll rotate the whole thing around again and work my way out. So you can see just how easy this design is. It's just straight line quilting, but it's very fast because the walking foot does all that feeding for you. You have perfectly balanced stitches, and you can fill in any extra gaps with more lines. That's what I'm going to do right here. Just add a few more lines and that space will be filled, and I'll be able to move on and fill in the rest of the block very quickly. So that's it for quilting rays in one of our t-shirt blocks. If you're looking for more of our t-shirt block series, you can click right here to find all of the videos, both piecing the t-shirt block, how to construct your blocks, and then how to quilt them in a variety of ways with your walking foot. So definitely check that out at leahday.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our videos so that way you don't miss out on any of the cool quilting information coming out each week. Until next time, let's go quilt.